Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of a Canon Pixma MG4250. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel and the little built-in screen you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, just press that button if you're not already here. We're going to use the down arrow until we have setup on the screen, as you can see with the screwdriver and pliers there. So we press the button directly underneath it to go into setup. And the estimated ink levels are to the right. And then you press OK again. And here on screen, you've got a breakdown of the colour and the black ink cartridge, showing how much ink your printer thinks is left in both cartridges. Now in the colour, you've got three colours in there. You've got cyan, magenta and yellow. Unfortunately, if one of those colours runs out, the entire cartridge will need to be changed to bring that colour back. So please do keep that in mind for any print quality issues or anything that could bring you to this point. One thing I would like to say is, although you do need both a black and a colour to be installed to use the printer, the estimated ink levels aren't always accurate. If, for example, you're using remanufactured cartridges or something like that, the estimated ink level won't necessarily be reset when the cartridge is refilled. So if you get to the point where the printer thinks it's empty, you'll be given a prompt on screen of holding this button down for 5 seconds to carry on printing. I'd recommend doing that and continuing to use the ink cartridges until the quality of your prints begins to degrade. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.